Hello everyone, this is Gayatri. Hope you are doing good. Today's topic is digestive system. The organs such as salivary glands, mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine and large intestine involves in the process of digestion. Have you ever wondered where does the food go once it enters into your body? So now we are going to discuss in detail about the process of digestion. How the food enters into our body. Through this process. Mouth. The digestive process begins in the mouth. Teeth helps in cutting and chewing the food. When you chew your food, the food particles break down into little pieces that are easier to swallow. A watery fluid which is present in our mouth, it is called as saliva. This saliva is produced by a gland called salivary gland. These glands are located on both the sides of the jaw. Saliva makes the food wet and soft so that it is easier to swallow. This saliva also helps to break down the food particles. Tongue helps in tasting and pushing the food downward into the food pipe. This process is called swallowing. Even before we eat, when we smell the tasty food, the digestion process begins. The saliva begins to form in the mouth. Next organ is food pipe. Food pipe is also called as esophagus. The chewed and swallowed food enters the food pipe. It is a long muscular tube that joins the mouth to stomach. The food is moved downwards into stomach by the muscular movement of food pipe. Stomach. It is a large sac-like organ. It releases a lot of acids and enzymes which helps to break down the food particles. An enzyme called pepsin is present in stomach which helps to break down the proteins. Hydrochloric acid HCl is secreted by stomach which kills lots of bacteria. The food then goes into a highly coiled tube called small intestine. It is a long, narrow coiled tube which is approximately 6 meters long. Small intestine receives secretions from liver and pancreas. Liver secretes bile juice which helps to filter harmful substances from blood. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which helps in digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins present in our food. Small intestine absorbs most of the nutrients and transfers them to our body through blood. The inner surface of a small intestine has finger-like projections called villi. Villi have extensive network of blood vessels. The digested food is then passed into the blood vessels and the undigested food is passed into large intestine. The large intestine is wider than small intestine. The size of the large intestine is approximately 1.5 meters long. Large intestine absorbs excess of water and salt present in the undigested food. The undigested waste is passed out of the body through anus. It produces some antibodies that helps us to boost our immunity. Answer the following. Where does the process of digestion begin? Which enzyme helps to break down proteins. What is the size of small intestine? Name the juice secreted by pancreas. What is the function of liver? Refer chapter 1, the digestive system, page number 11 in Science Concept book.